Hi, this is James. Video is exploding online today. The reason for that is very simple because video, above all other media like text or audio, allows you to build a deep connection with people. And the reason why connection is built because people can see you as well as hear you. Now, making videos is part of the story. The other part is actually editing it to make sure that your video is sharp, it has all the information and is not too lengthy, and you can also remove mistakes. So in this course on HitFilm Express, I will show you how to use HitFilm Express to edit your videos. HitFilm is actually a free software and you can actually just download it and install it on your computer, and allows you to do all kinds of effects, things that will make your video look professional. Whether you are creating a video for your business or you're just making a hobby, HitFilm Express can actually create all those kinds of effects, things like adding text, adding music, creating picture-in-picture, or even a green screen video. I've designed this course for newcomers in mind so that even if you have never touched video editing software before, you will be able to create your first video within a short time. And even if you are slightly more advanced, I also cover that as well. So I will cover each topic from the very beginning, right? Things like media, things like setting the resolution, understanding things like frame rates and all that, so that you won't get lost in all that jargon. Now, I understand that making videos can be a frustrating experience if you are new to making videos. So with that in mind, I actually designed this course so that you can actually create your video within a very short time. No doubt the video topics cover things that are basic all the way to more advanced. You don't actually need to do all those lessons. What you can do is just to watch the necessary section and get started with creating your video, so that you will be able to create your first video. Maybe you have a deadline to meet, or maybe you just need to see that you are making progress. You will be more motivated to continue making more videos, and as time goes on, you will become better and better at editing your video. If you have any questions about this course, please feel free to email me. The link is in the lesson below. I will try to answer any questions that you have before you sign up, and I look forward to seeing you in the course.